Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an investor deck with SlideShare easy tutorial step by step clearly. Creating an investor deck using SlideShare is straightforward. Start by logging into your SlideShare account. If you don't have an account, visit the SlideShare website to sign up. Once you're logged in, click on the upload button on the main dashboard. You will be prompted to upload your presentation file. Prepare your investor deck in a format like PowerPoint or PDF. Select your file and click Open to upload it. As the file uploads, you can enter relevant details about your presentation. Add a compelling title that reflects your project's essence. Write a brief description to summarize the content of your investor deck. Choose an appropriate category to help your target audience find your presentation. Select visibility options like public or private, based on your preferences. After uploading, click Publish to make your investor deck available on SlideShare. Now, you'll want to enhance your presentation's appearance. Use high-quality images, concise text, and clear graphs. Ensure your slides are easy to read and visually engaging. Incorporate your branding, like logos and color schemes, for a professional look. Engage your audience with a strong opening and a clear call to action. Once you're satisfied with your investor deck, re-upload if necessary for improvements. Share your SlideShare link on social media and via email to reach potential investors. Monitor the engagement and comments on your presentation. Use this feedback to make future improvements to your investor decks. Remember to keep your content updated with the latest information about your project. This will enhance your credibility and attract the right investors. Now, you are ready to create a successful investor deck using SlideShare. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.